I'll be showing the brand new Power BI app that's part of Microsoft Teams. We've wrapped all of Power BI and made it accessible in an app in Teams, which also lets you collaborate more effectively. So let's get started. I'm here in Teams, and I'm going to go and add the Power BI app. To do that, go to the ... menu, and then type in Power BI to search for the app. Here it is right here, and I'm going to click this, and then we're going to click Add to add it to the app bar. Now on the left-hand side, you can see the app here. Now let's right-click and choose Pin to make sure that it stays there. Now what we've done is really framed in Power BI inside of Teams, so I don't have to go back and forth between the two apps. All the aspects of Power BI are here. You can see favorites, recent, all the great Power BI options are available. But also across the top, you have things like datasets, discover, create, learn, and about. Now, first off, let's go to Discover. This is great because it brings all of the Power BI community and the apps and the options right here into Teams. And I'm scrolling down. You see lots of different apps here. I actually went and installed a couple of the sample apps into my Power BI here for Kara, the educator. For example, here's the human resources sample. I'm going to add this to favorites. But if I drill in, I have the entire Power BI dashboard wrapped here in Teams, and I can filter and drill in just like I normally would on any Power BI report. I also have some different pages here I can switch to, and I can easily see what is happening. What's also nice though is I have this Chat in Teams button. So if I click this, it gives me the option to share this to a channel. And if I'm an educator, in this case I am, I could even create an assignment. But in this case, I'm just going to put it into one of my PLCs and click share. So nice Teams integration there. If I go back to the home page here, the other options I have right down here is I have my recents, things that have been shared with me, or my apps. Here's some apps that I installed. I installed a YouTube Analytics Power BI app and a COVID tracking Power BI app. Those are both available publicly. But right here, you can drill into any of these Power BI favorites just like you normally could. So here's my IT spend example. It's very nice. And I can also go to the bottom here and choose the recommended apps. There's a bunch of different apps. I could even see all if I wanted to. The other nice one that I have up here is the ability to learn. Power BI can be very daunting when you're new. There's some great options here. Here's the Learning Center. If I click here, it takes me into all the learning options I have. There's lots of different learning paths. I can choose those. Also, if I go back, there's hardcore documentation. You can join the Power BI community. There's a great community of people out there as well. If you want to just go and straight up create Power BI like you normally would in the app, you go to create here and you can see there's some nice options. The last thing I'll show is you can launch right here to open this into the web. So if I want to leave the Teams environment and go straight into the web, I click open on the web, and there, everything is right there just in the web. So what we have in Teams is really wrapping and keeping together what you have in Power BI and putting it into one place, but also integrating into Teams for chat, channels, and assignments. If you found this video useful, give it a like. Now, if you want to keep up with all the latest quick tip videos that I'll keep releasing, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get notified for all the new videos that post.